Karen. How are you today?
Doing good, thank you.
Good. I'm so glad you're here. Okay, so today we're going to talk about our nursery rhymes. Okay. And first, I want you to choose between the Itsy Bitsy Spider and Clap Your Hands. Which one do you want to sing?
Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Oh, that's a good choice, especially with it coming up to be Halloween. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I want you to put your card right here at the top so we can say our phrase.
Okay.
Good. So we can say, I want Itsy Bitsy Spider. Your turn.
I want Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Good. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to sing Itsy Bitsy Spider in the movements, and then I want you to join in after, okay?
Okay.
All right, ready? The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again.
Okay.
Yay! Okay, so now I want you to join in with me, okay?
Okay.
All right, ready? The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Yay! Good job! You did awesome on that. Okay, so now you can move your spider card, Itsy Bitsy Spider, back there. And guess what?
What?
Since you did so good with that one, we get to sing another one.
Okay, yay.
Okay, so you get to choose between Old Macdonald and Bringing Home My Baby Bumblebee. Which one do you want to sing about?
Old Macdonald.
Oh, that's an awesome choice. Okay, so if you'll do the same thing and move it up here so we can say our phrase, and I bet you remember this time. We could say,
I want Old Macdonald.
Nice asking. Okay, so we're going to do Old Macdonald. And this is kind of my favorite one because I have my barnyard friends.
Yay.
And they're going to help us sing about all the animals on the farm because sometimes even Miss Mallory forgets too. So let's see. There's a bunch of animals in here. Oh, okay. So first we're going to sing about our cow. Okay, so once you catch on, you can start singing with me, okay? Oh, let's hear how the cow sounds.
Oh, that's funny.
So a cow says, moo, moo. Yeah, good. All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
So pretty much through Old Macdonald, we just clap it out, okay? And we sing our animal sounds. All right, ready?
Okay.
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, he had a
cow.
Good. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old Macdonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, good job. You did so good. You caught on great to that. Okay, and so first we talked about our cow, and next we're going to talk about our
pig.
Good, that is a pig. Oh, it's kind of squeaky. Mm-hmm. And a pig says, oink, oink. Good. All right, ready? Mm-hmm. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig. Good. E-I-E-I-O. With an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. Here, oink, there, oink, everywhere, and oink, oink. Old Macdonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Good. All right, so first the cow, then the pig, and next the
duck.
Oh, I love ducks. They're so cute. Let's see. If my duck works. I don't know. I don't hear anything, but I do know what it says. Do you know what it says?
Quack.
Good.
Quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack. All right, you ready? Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a
duck.
Good. E-I-E-I-O. with a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old Macdonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Good. And then, so first a cow, then a pig, next a duck, and then we'll talk about this one last. It's called a
chicken.
Good, a chicken. And a chicken, that's kind of a trickier sound. It says bok, 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 bok. You try.
Bok, bok.
Good job. All right, so we'll sing about this one now. Ready? Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a
chicken.
E-I-E-I-O. With a bok, bok here and a bok, bok there. Here a bok, there a bok, everywhere a bok, bok. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Good! Oh my goodness, I love singing with these cute little animals. They're so fun. And you did so good today helping me sing about our nursery rhymes.
Thank you.
High five. All right. Bye, friends.
Bye.